Hi there, this is Tracy Logan with the High Park Real Estate Group, and we're here at our new listing at 108 Springhurst. This massive 3-story duplexed Victorian is made up of 2 3-bedroom units. Let's go inside and take a look. This main floor unit is comprised of a formal living room, dining room, an eat-in kitchen, 1 bedroom on the main floor, and 2 additional bedrooms in the basement. It also features a laundry room, as well as walk out to the backyard, a front porch with views of the lake. Some other great features in this unit are the original detailing, the stained glass, the crown moldings, the raised baseboards, and this antique fireplace. This upper unit, which would probably be your owner's suite, features a recently renovated eat-in kitchen with heated floors, a glass backsplash, and a sit-up breakfast bar. The upper unit features this living room with a walkout to a deck and views of the lake, as well as the kitchen, a 4-piece bathroom, and a bedroom. Up here on the 3rd floor, we have 2 additional bedrooms, one with a bright window overlooking the lake, the second with a gorgeous skylight, and we also have a renovated 3-piece bathroom up here. This home is the perfect opportunity to get into the market. You could live in one unit and rent the other one out. The long-term rent for this property is probably between $5,000 and $6,000 a month. However, if you wanted to Airbnb one unit or both, sky's the limit. Thank you for joining us on our tour of 108 Springhurst. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out or join us at one of our open houses this weekend.